In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add holidays in Zoho People. Adding holidays in Zoho People is important because it helps your organization keep leave balances accurate and ensures timesheets and attendance reports reflect non-working days correctly. Once holidays are set up, employees and managers can see them clearly on the holiday calendar for the right location, which helps everyone plan ahead. To begin, make sure you are signed into your Zoho People account and you are on the main interface. Look to the right side of your screen and find Leave Tracker. Click Leave Tracker to open the Leave and Holiday Management area. This is where Zoho People groups the tools used for tracking time off and official non-working days, so it is the correct place to start. After Leave Tracker opens, move to the left sidebar. In that sidebar, find and click Holidays. This will take you to the Holidays section where you can view any holidays that have already been created. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct area by looking for the Holiday List or Holiday Calendar view, depending on how your account is set up. Next, look for the button labeled Plus Add Holiday and click it. This opens the form where you will enter the details for the new holiday. Enter the holiday name first. Use a clear, recognizable name that matches how your company refers to the day, since this is what employees will see in their calendars and lists. Then enter the date for the holiday. Be careful to select the correct day and year, especially when you are adding holidays in advance or adding a holiday from a previous period for record accuracy. Finally, select the location. This matters because some holidays apply only to specific offices or regions. Choosing the correct location ensures that only the employees in that location will see the holiday and have it applied to their schedules and leave calculations. Once all details are entered, review the name, date, and location for accuracy before you finalize the entry in the form. That covers everything you need to know.